In this video, I will show you how to delete APK files on your Android device. To begin, open up the File Manager app on your Android device. This app is typically pre-installed on most devices and allows users to manage files easily. Once inside the File Manager, look for a section called Categories. Locate and tap on APK installation files. Now you'll see a list of all the APK files you've downloaded onto your device. To delete any unwanted APK files, tap on these three little dots located in the top right corner of your screen. A menu will appear with several options. Next, tap on Select. This will allow you to choose which specific APK file you want to delete. Simply tap on the desired file or multiple files if you wish to remove more than one. After selecting your desired APK files, locate and tap on the Delete All button at the bottom of your screen. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure about this action. Confirm it. Once you've deleted those unwanted APK files, it's important to ensure they are completely removed from your device's storage. To do this, go back and scroll down until you find an option labeled Trash. Tap it. Inside Trash, tap these three little dots again at the top right corner. Here you'll find an option that says Empty. Tap it. A prompt will appear confirming whether you'd like to permanently delete these items from Trash. Select Delete, and voila! The selected APK files are now permanently erased from your device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.